Hello and welcome. Today we are together here to talk to Sumit, Chief Growth Officer for Prodapt, and I'm SK, VP Partner Alliance for Rakuten Symphony. Sumit, if you could please introduce yourself and what you do at Prodapt to the audience, that would be great. Thank you.
Sure. First, thank you for having me here. Coming to Rakuten booth is like coming home. Having working with Rakuten ecosystem for, 7-8 years now. It's really great. So thank you for having me. And I'm the Chief Growth Officer for Americas and rest of the world markets, where I lead businesses around the big net, the big telcos, altnets, the fiber companies, and the big tech customers.
Fantastic. So, Sumit, we're going to talk about the collaboration that Rakuten has now with Prodapt. And the space that we have this collaboration is mainly in the autonomous operations that you guys are very good at. And also the cloud platforms cloud native platforms that we operate, and the storage that we operate in the cloud network platform. So just tell me on a very high level, what is your take and your perspective on this partnership? What value can it bring to the customers, and what more innovation we can do together?
I would say this is one of the most practical partnerships amongst so many different partnerships that are just for the sake of those, because what you have as products and what we have as services is truly what customers like Rakuten themselves want. So, it's something that we've tested, tried together. We know that your solutions, your cloud solutions, your native AI solutions work with our services because we're not a traditional systems integrator. We're calling ourselves as agentic integrators.
Fantastic. Exactly. That's the same feeling that we have at Rakuten. We really like working with Prodapt. We are hoping that this collaboration of the autonomous operations from your side, the cloud native platforms from our side, the OSS solutions that are AI driven from our side, that combined together will bring a world of value to our global customers and your global customers as well. Now let's talk about the autonomous operations, right? What is it that Prodapt and Rakuten collaboration together bring value when I talk about this cost effectiveness and increase of efficiency?
See, in the operations world, there are so many people who are traditional customers and also traditional software providers. When Rakuten came to us with their solutions, we realized that while everybody was talking about automation, the fact that these solutions were autonomous and that we also envisage the operations center to be operated not with tons of people, because those days are gone. So when a large operator in a tier 1 country says that they want automation, they want agentic AI solutions, that's where we come in. And who do we take to these customers? Someone like yourself, because you understand you are digitally AI and cloud native. We don't intend to fill NOC and SOC kind of environments with hundreds of people. We want to show them agents. We want to show them the solutions that you have and how do we use that to bring the cost down, keep the experience high, and truly get away from the traditional system integration and get into agentic integration.
Fantastic. Look, all these customers that we're talking about, they're moving towards this zero touch operations. And the zero-touch operations is something that Rakuten Mobile in Japan has actually achieved with that 3.5 level of automation on the INOS framework, which is what we want to then bring to the world along with Prodapt to try and give that value out that we actually looking for. Thank you very much for joining us.
All right. Thank you.